Hey everyone, it's Angie. Today's quick and easy day and we are making this cute little treat box. This is holding 4 of the Dove chocolates. I grabbed these chocolates right here. They're the dark chocolate and sea salt. The fronts are so adorable. That's why I picked them. Actually, I picked them for the flavor because I love dark chocolate. But look at the little reindeers on here. They have the little cars. You can put whatever you want on here. Let's do 4 cars this time. But that is what is inside here. And it's super sweet, super quick and easy. Great for stocking stuffers, for classrooms. These go really, really quick and easy. So let's get started with it. So you are going to need a piece of 4 by 6.5. I am using Summer Splash for this because I wanted to match this candy because I thought it was so cute. So it's a little bit non-traditional, but I love that sometimes. You need a piece of basic white to stamp on. I am going to mat it with this Designer Series paper, which is the North Pole Delivery. So it's this one, and it has adorable little animals on this side too. I almost put this little mouse on there, but then I thought, nah, I want to keep it really nice and quick and simple. So you need 1 piece that is 4 3/8 by 1 1/8, and 2 that are 3/8 by 4 3/8. All right, that's everything. So let's go ahead and get started with this. This would be a great little teacher's gift as well. All right, so we're going to score this really quickly here. So on the 6.5 inch side, you're going to score it at 1/2, 1, 5.5, and 6. And then we are going to turn it to the 4 inch side, and you're going to do it at 1/2, 1 3/4, and 2 1/4, and then 3 1/2. I didn't use my little wax paper, y'all, so I went off a little bit. We'll fix that. Plus we can make that the top of the box. So, oh, it fixed perfectly. That's what this is also good for, y'all. These are linked in the description. I came really late to the game with these, and I really love that. All right, so let's start cutting this. You are going to cut down here and down here. You are going to cut here, and then we're going to cut this right here off, these 4 pieces on this end. You want to cut the tops off of this and the top off of here. I'm cutting into this because that is going to be folded into our box, and then you can cut into your little pieces here. Those are going to be our glue tabs. Don't make them too small though. All right, so again, cut down here, here, and here. Then cut these 4 off on the corner here. You're going to cut the tops off of these. Let me cut that straighter. And then I'm going to cut into here and here. And then you can cut into the little ones. That is it, y'all. These are super, super easy and super quick to do. All right, let's sharpen all our score marks. And we are going to use wet glue on this because I tried earlier with my Seal Plus and it wasn't cooperating. So I'm just going to go with the glue on these. So it just goes on all 4 of those tabs. And then you want to line them up really good here. Try to make sure it's nice and straight. Get those up. On the glue, you do have to hold it for a bit till it gets that little stickiness to it. Why is Does that stick into that? Okay. So these are going to fold inside. Let's put our candy in there. These fit perfectly in here, y'all. These are really cute. These have the little truck and the Christmas trees behind it. Look how cute those are in there. Then you can just fold this down, close it up. Oh, you know, I didn't cut the top here of these, which will help, because it folds in a lot nicer if you cut into those. All right, see how easy that goes in when you cut it. All right, so now what we're gonna do, let's go ahead and stamp our sentiment. And I'm just gonna use a VersaFine Clear here. And I'm just gonna make my own little tag. So I'm just gonna cut down on here. Cut across, and then I'm just going to cut the corners. If you want to be very particular with the corners, you can just take this one, move it to this side, and then cut, if you like it better that way. All right, let's mat this now. We got that all ready. We're going to go ahead and mat it. And then I'm going to mat the sides. These pieces are really little. They're only 3/8 inch. But I like the sides matted on this one. You can do these very quickly, y'all. It'd be a really cute stocking stuffer. All right, and then I'm going to grab our iridescent ribbon. I love this ribbon. It's so pretty. By the way, this is on last chance, and it is on sale. But look how gorgeous this ribbon is. So we're going to tie this around here. I'm going to tie our bow. I'm not sure if I left enough tail on that. I don't think I did. Yeah, I think it'll be fine. I like the bow big. This ribbon is so pretty, y'all. Grab it if you can. It is so pretty. I don't know if you can even see it, how pretty it is. Let me hold it up to show you. It's real iridescent. It's really, really pretty. And it makes this box, I think. All right, we are going to glue this on here, some seal. I'm just sticking on like that, and I am using a little cheer. This is the bundle I'm using for this, and it has these 3 little punches as a bundle, and you save 10% if you buy the bundle. And then I'm using the Sending a Little Cheer, and I'm using the star. You can use the Christmas tree, the little stocking, anything you want on here. I decided to use the star. So we're going to just use the star and cut some of the Summer Splash. Just going to cut 3 of them because I always like to have odd numbers on these things. I love the little punches. They're so cute. And then we're just going to glue these on. Put one up at the top here, and then we'll put 2 down at the bottom. But look how cute and how quick and easy these are. So there you have it. It's all done. How long did that take me? Maybe 5-6 minutes. It's very, very quick and easy. Here's the other one, but look how cute they are. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. We're getting closer and closer, y'all. Christmas is just about a month away, a little bit over a month away. and we need to get our stuff done. So I'm really happy to be getting some stocking stuffers done. So I hope you like it, everyone. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at stampingwithamore.com. Have a blessed day. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.